Through the
Through
window.
that little window.
Stuart, is it?
Yeah, mate, how are you?
I'm doing
Oh, good idea.
That's insane.
No, it's not.
We've just arrived here at a home in Budrum now. We get a lot of pythons at homes in Budrum, but as you can see, this is probably one of the last places you'd expect. So there's actually two pythons.
Yeah.
Looks like a male and a female,
Yeah.
snuggled in behind the microwave. So you can see this little door that's ajar. You come here, bud. I don't want to lose the other one either. It's alright, we'll keep this together. How's that?
That is nuts.
Two snakes in a kitchen. Well, I've just interrupted coitus. So the last thing we need is, I'm sure if someone got interrupted, they'd be pretty grumpy about it. Alright, see if we can get two in there. Oh no, one's going on the...
Would they be juveniles or are
Just
they?
stay still there for a second.
They're old enough.
Yeah.